So Instagram has just put a limit to hashtags in its new update, and you cannot add more than 3 hashtags per post. So what is the solution and how you can add more than 3 hashtags? We will go through 4 different solutions, and the 4th solution works 110%, but the first 3 also work for most of the people. So do not skip it. And the very first solution is, after you post a post, what you have to do is go to the comment section, and you can simply add as many hashtags as you want in the comment and just pin it at the top. This does not work for all of the people, but for many users this trick works. In the comment section, you can add as many hashtags as you want, which will coexist with the new update. And this still gets you some reach, and your account still stays at the top. But if this trick is not for you and you do not want to add hashtags in the comments and only thing you want is some hashtags in the caption, then let's move towards the second solution, by using which you'll be able to add same number of hashtags that you used to add in the past. So you have to go to Google and search here up to down and hit the search button. Open the very first website which appears up named up to down and tap on its search bar and search here Instagram and hit the search button. Tap on the Instagram application which appears at the top. Scroll through this page and scroll more until you find this older versions tab. So tap on older versions, and now you will start seeing all the older versions of Instagram which were released on the dates which will be written with all of them. All you have to do is install some older update in which you were able to add as many hashtags as you want, like 25, 30 or any number you want. And I'm more than pretty sure that this update was not released in March 2025. So you can simply download any APK which was released in March, simply download and install it, and this will work like a magic. You'll have an older version of Instagram and you'll be able to add as many hashtags as you want in your posts. But if you are on iPhone, then you will not be able to install any kind of mod or third-party application. Then what is the solution? This leads us to the method number 3, which is you have to again open up your Instagram application, go to your profile, tap on these 3 lines available at the top right, scroll through this page, and here you get an option, business tools and controls. Scroll through this page, tap on switch account type and switch your account to personal account, and again switch back it to the creator or business account. This switching will reset all the new updates for some accounts, so this trick may also work. Just switch to personal account and switch back to professional account, and then try posting a photo or reel with as many hashtags as you want and see if it works. But if this thing also didn't work, then the last solution is try to use Instagram on desktop or your computer, because for most of the users, Instagram desktop version is still allowing the usage of more than 3 hashtags like 25, 30, 20 or any number of hashtags. So try it on desktop or your PC and let me know if it worked for you. So this is how you can add more than 3 hashtags in Instagram posts after its new update. Thank you so much.